Hello, my name is Simran. I come from Aruba, and this is my second time at Vinyasa Yogashala. As always, the vibes are very welcoming here, and the teachers are of highest quality. The food is incredible, and everybody at Vinyasa Yogashala is so accommodating, from your stay to your meal. Particularly in my case, where I'm a celiac, they've met all my needs regarding gluten intolerance and other allergies that I have. So I didn't have to worry about any of that. The teachers were just excellent as always and very helpful. The class environment is so lovely and you get to meet such wonderful people. And yep, just being around the tradition of yoga is wonderful. I invite you to come here if you're looking for an experience that is very warm, where people are so friendly and welcoming. Thank you.